Let it run.
Mark 4, start your turn.
Start your mental focus.
Focus on your own ball.
Check our weight balance.
Keep your heads up and look forward. Stroke.
Boat 4, hold it right there. 1, 2, and 3. Bring your boats up next to boat 4 and hold.
2 strokes forward.
2 strokes forward.
Go. Forward. Go. Forward. Let it run. Give me 1 stroke forward. Go.
Hold. Hold. Let it run.
Focus.
Boat 3, hold.
Let it run.
All boats, give me 1 or 2 strokes. Load them up.
1 stroke.
Stroke forward. 1
Go.
stroke. Go.
Boat 4, a little more forward momentum, please. Boat 3, let it run. Boat 3, give me a little pat. Boat 1, hold.
Back 3. 1 stroke forward. Back 3. 1 stroke
Boat 2,
forward.
hold. Boat 3, hold.
Hold.
Boat 4, hold. We have alignment as I check.
3, 4, 5 down. 7, 8, 9, 10 down. 7, 8, 9, 10. Reach it out. Reach it out. Reach it out. Longer, deeper, focus. One,
Take a breath.
Bad. Final call too early. Too early.
还没有出去，隔壁的声音太大了。
We're not quite. We were a little before the last 100 meters. When you
Aggression
called
was
the
good.
finish.
Sync was off a little bit. Engine to front.